Hey everyone, this is Rika from Artisan Gift Collection, and if you guys didn't know, Artisan Gift Collection right now is doing a Christmas ornament giveaway. These are Christmas ornaments that we are giving away. We're going to be picking 3 lucky winners this Sunday at 2 p.m. on YouTube Live. We'll be picking 3 lucky winners to win a set of 5 Christmas ornaments. They can choose whatever color they like out of these 5 colors, and they could either choose stars or snowflakes. Make sure to participate. You only have 2 days left. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how we make these ornaments, just in case you guys would like to try them out yourself. It's very easy. I'll be showing a step-by-step tutorial on how we make them and how long it'll take, what materials you'll need. I'll share with you guys everything that we do. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the materials you will be needing. You can use any yarn you want, but here I'm using a soft and bulky yarn, and the hook I'm using is a 6.5mm hook. Please use the hook size that is recommended for your yarn. Next, we will need some scissors, a needle, some wooden beads. You can use any beads or any decorative things you would like to put on the ornament. We need some jute cord, glue, a bowl, a parchment paper, and some water. So we're going to start with a star ornament. We'll begin with a slip knot. After the slip knot, we're going to make 4 chains. Next, you're going to be doing a slip stitch on the very first chain that you made in order to make a circle. Next, make 3 chains, and these 3 chains will be considered as a double crochet. Make 2 more double crochets into that circle. So in total, you will have 3 double crochets. Next, chain 2. After chaining 2, repeat the process of making 3 double crochets into that circle. Chain 2 again, and make 3 more double crochets until you have made 5 sets of 3 double crochets. So once you've finished your 5 sets, make 2 chains and make a slip stitch on that very top of the first chain 3, just to join them together. And that's how it should look like. Now we're going to be making the points of the stars. First, make 6 chains. After making 6 chains, on the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet. On the next stitch, make a half double crochet. The next one will be a double crochet. And the last 2 will be a treble crochet. Now look for the 2 chains that you've made earlier. Slip your hook in and make a slip knot to join. So now all you have to do is repeat that whole process of the 6 chains and the single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and 2 trebles 5 times in order to make the star. So this is how it should look like after you've finished making all of them. All I have to do left is join the last point of the star. So just make a slip knot again, but this time don't go through the 2 chains. To make it more secure, go through the stitch after that. And there we go. All you have to do now is just fasten off and weave in all the ends, and you're basically done with the star. So now we're going to move on to the snowflake ornament. You're first going to start off with a slip knot as usual. You're going to make 4 chains. To make it simple, similar to the other one. Then you're going to make a single crochet on your first chain. Not a slip knot, it's a single crochet. Now you're going to make 5 chains. After doing the 5 chains, go back to the middle of the circle that you just created, right there. And you're going to make a single crochet. Now you're going to make 5 chains again, and then go back to the circle and do a single crochet. You're going to do this for a total of 6 times. So there will be 6 total petals. So this is how it should look like. Looks like a flower. So for the next step, you're going to single crochet into the first petal. After that, you're going to chain 3. And then single crochet back into that same petal. Do a chain of 5. And single crochet back into that same petal. Then make a chain of 3. And then single crochet back into the same petal. And then single crochet into the next petal. So that is basically what you'll be repeating throughout the 6 different petals, and slowly it'll start to look like a snowflake. So just repeat that, and I'll meet you back here afterwards. So this is how the finished product looks like. It looks like a snowflake now. And to finish off, we're just going to join this stitch. So you're going to look for the last single crochet that you did, or the first single crochet that you did, and then do a slip stitch there in order to join the 2 sides. And that's basically it. Just fasten off and then cut your yarn and then weave in the ends just like the previous ornament. Okay, so now this step is for the ornament to stay stiff and I guess keep its form when it's hung on the tree. So what we're going to do is we're going to get equal parts of water and glue. So for this I did half a cup of water and half a cup of glue. Put it in a bowl and mix it until they're mixed well together. And now all we have to do is take our ornament, dip it into the mixture, make sure that they have soaked the glue thoroughly. And now you have to squeeze out the glue and the water from the ornament. Squeeze as much as you can. Then lay them all flat on the parchment paper. So what I'm doing right now is I'm stretching them so that it can keep that form while it's drying. This will take around overnight. I would recommend leaving it overnight. If you don't have that much time, then you could definitely use a hair dryer. Okay, last step. Here's the beading process. So once the ornament has dried, now we're going to start beading it. You're going to need the beads, the jute cord, the needle, and some scissors. So we'll start off by cutting about a foot of the cord. the cord through the needle. This will make the beading process much easier. Then you take one end of it, pull it through the top of the ornament. After doing so, you're going to take both ends and just make a knot. Now you're going to take the beads and put it through the needle. This is so much faster now that the needle is there. So any combination you guys want. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the cord near the needle and make a knot very, very close to the bead so that it stays in place. And lastly, I'll just make another knot at the very top, at the very end, just to close off the cord. And that's basically it. We did it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.